Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today's video, I'll show you how to delete a partition in Windows 10. Before you start, make sure to backup your important files. Deleting a partition will erase all data inside permanently. First, open this PC folder on your PC or laptop. Then click on right side button and open Manage. Then select Disk Management. This will open window showing all your drives and partitions. Now find the partition you want to delete. Right click on that partition and select Delete Volume. You will see a warning message saying all data will lost. Click Yes to confirm. Once deleted, the space will turn into unallocated space. You can now create a new partition or extend another drive using that space. Now you have to need your unallocated space, your C drive. Select the C drive, click on right button on your laptop. Then click on Extended Volume. Then click on Next. Then again click on Next for extended your drive. Then click on Finished. And that's it. We have successfully deleted partition in Windows 10. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more Windows tips. Tata.